Afterwards, relax, will you?
Relax with Rex and Emma
Hello Afterwax. Well, we've got an exciting day today and I'll tell you for why. In a minute you're going to meet a new goose who we will be welcoming to the haunted table. We shall get the cloud ready in order for his arrival. And we've also got a half-time show today. Finally, I've got round to doing Dan Alsobrook's animation. So that is coming up at the halfway point. Hope you enjoy it. But without further ado, it is now, this is the thing that gives me the greatest pleasure here, of course. We'll have a drum roll. Please welcome to the haunted table, new goose, Michael Connell. Oh, hello, Michael. Oh, good day. Oh, you're from Australia? Yeah, I'm another Australian. I live down under, and as you can see, I really like fishing. You like fishing? Yeah, I absolutely love fishing. Anyway, I'm really excited to have a go on the cloud with my fishing rod and see if I can catch any more fish. Well, I mean, good luck with that. But here we go. Off you go, Michael Connell. Will you look at the length of his rod? Thank you. Thank you. And we're off him, and we're off. Yes, here's your tremble. Ooh, ooh. But there you go. Michael not O'Connell. Michael Connell. Michael Connell. Our new goose. Off you go there to the back. And enjoy your time upon the cloud. Will you look at him? Oh, he's marvellous. Round of applause for him. Thank you. Thank you, Michael Connell. So I do believe it is the last day of this absolutely beautiful, beautiful build. So bag 11, let's get at it. Another person. Alrighty, let's get cracking. Hasn't this been just the loveliest build? So absorbing and interesting and fascinating, just seeing the twists and the turns and how they've made it all happen. It's just been breathtaking. Really good. Really enjoyed it. We start today with the Google Eyes. Who's up first? We thought she was from Canada and then we didn't think she was from Canada and then it turned out she was from Kennedy. I remembered. It's just William B. I mean, that is a thing of loveliness, isn't it? Says number 1, Gigi's birthday surprise, eh? And number 2, the giant gold fist. Look at it move. Ooh, woo. Look at it move, Emma. Look at it move. Yes, 100% look at it move. Yes, new build. A new build will commence tomorrow. I have been informed that there is a Twitter poll that's up and running for tomorrow's new build. I will be building tomorrow. I'm in the mood for it, quite frankly. Might not do Sunday, but I'll certainly do tomorrow, I think. Or maybe we should leave it till Monday. Well, we'll see. I'd like to put that up to my eye and stare through it. Yes, so the poll, I'm told, will finish this evening / Saturday morning. So anyway, get involved with that. The GG birthday present, of course, none of you know what it is. So, you know, that, I suppose, in and of itself is a sharp thrill. I might sneak in. If I don't start the new build tomorrow, I might sneak in a little something tomorrow that I suspect is a one-day build. But you know, we'll see how we go. TVZ, 1, 2, 3 says, oh, I loved Suburban Shootout. Honestly, it was ridiculous amounts of fun. Ridiculous amounts of fun that was. What an absolute wheezing juicer. An inner chancellor is for it. Yeah, she's an absolute cracker. She's great fun as well. Eric as well. Eric, he's got a duck of Fazio. They both like watching Dago, and they really like musicals. So his name is Eric. Fun, etc. He says, I have both seasons of it on DVD. I need to go back and watch not only because I love this series, but besides Emma, we also have Tom Hiddleston, Ruth Wilson, and Tom Ellis, all in very early acting appearances. Yeah, can you even believe it? All in one show. Can you even believe it? All three of them. And now look, international superstars. Superstars. Yeah, look at that. And well deserved it is too. Now then, oh yes, there is 2 of those, so that's going in there. Right. Oh, it's this way. No, okay. Oh no, that's wrong. It's wrong. That's all right. That was an easy fix, wasn't it? It's that way, going that way round. Because as now has been well established in this build, absolute pinpoint accuracy is required. Pinpoint accuracy. TVZ 1, 2, 3 says, I think I'll look for it on the old YouTube. Malagoose as a bunny assassin still makes me giggle. Oh, Janet Pendlebury. Oh. Hello, Janet Pendlebury. She's sort of our resident mum, is she not? She says, I plump for the birthday surprise as the next build. I mean, none of you know what it is. You don't know what it is. The thrill must be sharp when you don't know what it is. Just a great big surprise. It was a birthday surprise for me, and now it's going to be a surprise for you. Right, over to the Twitter eyes. Eric says, very disappointed that I can't find all the episodes of The Smoking Room. All but the very first episode of Series 1 are on YouTube, and only 3 episodes of Series 2 are on YouTube. I can't find the rest anywhere else. I has said. I do believe they're on DVD. If you can get hold of a BBC DVD somewhere, I do believe. Oh, look, no, wait. It's these. Okay. So I wonder what this is. Yet again, we have another day of what phenomenal thing is going to go into here? Something's going to go into here. I wonder if we're ending with sort of a real finale of guts today. Gats. Eric Oswald. Oh, I am loving the sounds. Honestly, isn't it brilliant? Thank you. Absolutely love it. It sounds exactly like a real typewriter when you hit the keys and move the carriage. Can't wait until the lever gets added to move the carriage back. Yeah, me too. Little Sue. She's called Little Sue. She's little, she's called Sue. She's Little Sue.
Yes, hello, Emma. Hello, Afterwax. Hello to Michael Connell, who is new on the cloud with his fishing rod and his fish. Please, Michael Connell, do not try and take the fish from my poisson croissant. I need them for the croissant. Thank you. Although we could come to some sort of arrangement whereby you catch the poisson and then I cook the poisson and put it in the poisson croissant. We can talk. Your people, my people will get together. Bibbidi boo, bibbidi back.
Sorry, can you just get on with it? Thank you. I'm not here for you to conduct business deals. Thank you.
Well, Emma, I do believe that you're still locked up in the clean, Emma, at the Graham Driggs Hotel. And I know you forgot to read more, but I'm sure it's probably safe for you to come out now. I just wanted to say this because you've been in there for forever and a day, actually. So you can come out now, I think, Emma. Press a button.
It's very kind of you. Thank you. Oh, come on then. Thank you. Oh, face down in the toilet. Plus ça change. Thank you. Right, out you come, Kennedy. Come on, out you come. Back on your perch. You see, the thing is, you might wonder why I'm not on the Pagoda. There's no point. I'm forever being sent into the Graham Driggs Hotel, so I may as well just stand above it. That's how that works, isn't it? That's how that works. Tanya now. Don't worry, because we are about to bend this. That's why I just bent it. Don't worry. Don't have abdabs. Don't have abdabs. Now then. I see. So that's going that way. There is a and that way. All right. So it's like that, and that needs to be in the middle. That's about right, isn't it? And then that's going in there. A bit more. Ooh. I think I've put too much in this end. That's it. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. It's like a dirty film. Right, there we are. Thank you. Halfway point. Yeah, okay. It doesn't look, it's a bit wrong. It hasn't quite got the... Put that in. I think that's a bit better. Yeah, okay, right. Wonder what this is for. Oh, hello. Okay, we're making 12 of something. Right, Tana Andrester says, I can think of a few places at home that would be perfect for the typewriter. I'd definitely find a spot. I know, it's just lovely, isn't it?
Bevis Masson, the Sensei, Uncle Strawberry, the Mooning Minnie, the Master, the Lego Whisperer. Bibbidi bip. Nimmity bip 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 bip. Nippity pip pip, nippity pip pip. Nip nip. Nippity nip. Nippity nip nip.
Oh, right, he's like, come on, he's not some sort of weird blankety blank thing. Anyway, look, we're making 12 of these. Look at that lovely shiny silvery tile at the end. Okay, 12 of these. Bevis says vending machine. What on earth is a vending machine? Do you mean a token dispensing device? Then he says strong infinite monkey typing energy going on there. Yeah, well, you know. Neil, he hasn't got a theme tune, says, I think we knew it was something special, and I think we had concerns about the technics nature of the design, but the outcome is simply awesome, isn't it? I think pushing the boundaries of what can be built with Lego in this way can only be looked at with awe. Yeah, I absolutely agree with you. Alan Twitwoo Harwood says, I keep catching myself thinking, is this really Lego any longer? The advances from cuboids with studs to whatever shape you like is incredible. And although the characteristic brand blockiness has been jettisoned, the gains in design quality and imagination are amazing. Yeah, I completely agree. Bevis says, to my mind, as long as bricks used have a degree of versatility in their uses, then it's still very much the spirit of Lego. So even something like this that doesn't look like Lego spiritually, the same as a pile of Duplo. The problem I have is when they make a part that is so specific to a given set that you simply couldn't use it anywhere else. It's part of why I was taken by that koi carp from way back. Technically it was very clever, but it couldn't do anything be anything other than the carp. Yeah, I know what you mean. Then it says you'd be hard pressed to use the printed paper pieces on anything else, and they completely hide the actual Lego. The typewriter is a kind of Lego version of trompe l'oeil, but when you look is still clearly Lego, and you could use the parts for another build pretty easily. I mean, why would you? I mean, I can't imagine why you'd ever take this apart, quite frankly. It's just brilliant. It is brilliant. This is very satisfying. Can I just say that?
Emma, please don't point with your finger. You've only just got out after going to X Hotel, for goodness sake. Quickly get the pointer. Can I do the noise?
Yes. This is very satisfying.
Yes, but I think you got away with it. Okay, put it away now.
Thank you. Neil. Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. Yes, this is the ongoing the poll, the official poll for the next RWB build. I can see that one is very, very, very much in the lead there, but you've got 10 hours. You've got 10 hours from this point. It is now 9:30. You've got 10 hours to vote on that. So if you have thoughts, get in.
Emma,
Yes.
do you remember yesterday when there was a picture posted of the typewriter looking like an angry monster? Do you remember it?
Yes, I do remember it. Yes.
Well, I want to post a picture because Emma, all I'm seeing is a smiling frog. Please, can you show my picture?
Oh yeah. Look. Yes. Smiling frog. Yep. Smiling frog. Oh, that's the point. We didn't put a frog inside the guts. The gats. Do you know what? I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get one in there. Hang on a minute. Where have these bits gone? What on earth? Hang on, please. Oh, good grief. Oh, good actual grief. Light Ferkling. How on earth did that happen? Look, from yesterday. Thank you. What happened there? Oh, I wonder if they fell off when I was doing the halftime show. That's coming up soon. That's coming up shortly. Oh look, Owlin has posted a picture of a gif of a smiling frog. Thank you. Oh, brace, brace, brace. Pastor Nancy, such a wonderful builder, a thing of beauty. Cute us to the designer. Boston Nancy there. Mac McCall good, but Becky, Becky, he likes things that have got Mac in them, like McDonald's and Ramsay McDonald and something else that begins with Mac. It says, oh, and I forgot, Studio can also turn photos into Lego mosaics. Oh, now there's a story about that picture. That picture, of course, was taken on a day when I was absolutely exhausted in the MasterChef studio, and is still to this day, I think, one of the worst pictures ever taken of me. Or I should say one of the most unphotogenic. I mean, I'm not naturally photogenic on any given day, but that one has haunted me for many a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. But yes, that's tremendous that you've managed to work out my face in Lego dots. That's brilliant. Bevis Masson, I would like the next build to be anything but R2D2. Honestly, Bevis, just shush up, you. Just shush up. There's people here who like Star Wars and are looking forward to seeing R2D2 built. So shush your great big guts. Just shush them up. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more to go. Mike, formerly known as Toby Morey J. Got the wrong email. Or maybe do R2D2 next. That way, once he's done, he's done. I can't believe anyone. Do you know what? I can absolutely guarantee this is going to be one of those things where everyone's going to go, oh God, do we really have to build R2D2? And then we'll build R2D2 and it will be a really good build, she said. And you'll all go, oh, yeah, all right, yeah. I wasn't so into R2D2, but now I love R2D2. Yeah. How can you not love R2D2? What's the matter with you? Beep, beep, boop, boop, beep, boop, boop. Bevis Musson says, or leave him till the end of this month when I'm on holiday and probably not able to watch anyway. In all seriousness, though, I think after a straight display set like the Typewriter, we probably need a fun or minifig heavy build before we do either the Infinity Gauntlet or R2D2. Then Ruth Hayes says, I think you should build what you want to build, Mother Goose. Who am I kidding? The fun build or Gigi's mystery gift will be good builds after this one. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Yeah, you stick to it. You stick to it. Well, I mean, none of you know what the birthday build is. Who knows? I know what it is, and you don't. Fa la la la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 2 more. Raven driver, Raven driver, Raven driver. He says, I was looking at the keys to see what you were typing yesterday, Emma. It looked like absolute gibberish. Yeah, it was gibberish. I wasn't particularly typing anything at all. It looked, do you have a title and release date yet? Oh, you absolute wag. You wag. Alan Twitwoo, Owlin Harwood says, I think it was Mac, Macky, Mac, McColgan, Mac, Plastic Mac, Apple Mac, Big Mac, the Knife McCartney, McCarthy Part, McCavity, Macmillan Macney, McGowan Lenny, Lena Macaroni, Macduff, Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, McPhee, McFadden, McCallum, Vaughan McCaskill, McAdam, McAlpine Mac. I mean, you just get a round of applause for that. McGowan. Mac McColgan says, think you missed out mac and cheese. The one thing that has impressed me, other than getting a new theme tune every day, Mother Goose, is the correct pronunciation of McColgan, so thanks. If I had a 50p every time someone got it wrong, I'd have well over £37.50 by now. Oh, I'm interested. How does it get pronounced wrongly? In what way? I'm genuinely fascinated. Please tell me. Alan Twitwoo, Owlin Harwood says, sorry, the character count was macabre. Needed a machete to cut it down to size. Don't people remember Liz, or is fame so fleeting these days, or do you pronounce it differently? That was for McCharacter and macabre and machetti, by the way, machete. Then Max says, I think people see the double C and go to pieces, swapping letters and inserting others rather than seeing the muck followed by a simple Colgan. TV. Oh, now then, look what's happening here now. Right, so that's going on there. Oh my goodness me. After this, after I've stuck these on, we're going to have the halftime show. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Probably move them a bit like that. Yes. Oh my goodness me. This is pretty awesome, isn't it? Well, any minute now we're going to see what these do. Right, these are in, and you'll now have to wait until the halftime show is over to see what we're going to do with these. So without further ado, here is the halftime show.
Moss Eisley Spaceport. You will never find the more wretched hive of scum and villainy. We must be cautious.
How long have you had these droids?
About 3 or 4 seasons.
They're up for sale.
Let me see your identification.
You don't need to see his identification.
We don't need to see his identification.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
He can go about his business.
You can go about your business.
Move along.
Move along. Move along.
I can't abide those Jawas. Disgusting creatures. Go on. Go on. I can't understand how we got by those troops. I thought we were dead.
The Force can have a strong influence on the weak-minded.
Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, Dan Alsobrooke. That was all for you. I was very much enjoying this. every time you were doing Jedi mind tricks. Right, this is going on. And it's tricky. Let's get these up. I'm in. Oh, will you look at this? Hello? I mean, what? That's just phenomenal, isn't it? Let's just move this down. That's it. I mean, I'm actually in awe. I'm in awe of that. Good grief. What an incredible piece of design this is. And how lovely. It's got those lovely silvery keys. So nice. So nice. TVZ 123 says, I stand corrected, not $500, but still XE. This is the pricing of this. Brace. Yes, that is expensive. It is $200 here in the States. Glad Mother Goose has selected it for the next live and breaking. Yes, I have. I'm feeling generous. And also, do you know what? You had to go a month without live and bricking, so it's fine. You can have a lovely set for July. Bum 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 bum. Ooh, now then, we've got some mild techniques here. That Mac McColgan says, I didn't know about your mental block with machines that dispense food and beverages. Yes, terrible. Absolutely shocking. Although I do remember you making a point about the one in the Daily Bugle. Now I understand why you have vending machine on a yellow postage attached to the wall. Yes. Mike, formerly known as Tobermory Jake, he got the wrong email, says, I think you mean vending machine. Yes, that is exactly how it is. Let's just have another look, shall we? And let's go in. Thank you. That's how we roll here. Thank you. Mac McColgan, I didn't like to say. I used to love Muttley. God, Muttley was so good, wasn't he? Absolutely brilliant character. What's going on there like that? Right. Do. Then that's going on the that's going on the end of there. Right, with a little hoochie cooch on the end. Thank you. Right, little hoochie cooch. Yep. So that's that. Now we've got mild centre of the book issues here. Yes. By the way, on the animation front, Chris Eyre, you're up next. So if there is a scene from a film or anything that you would like to see me having a go at, then let me know. And I'll try and make that happen. I mean, obviously within reason. No underwater scenes, please. Well, man, I don't know. Well, why have I even said that? You let me know what you would like, Chris, and then I will give it a good old go. Amy, new Affelwack. Hello, Amy. If you are Amy Brown, then you're also a new goose. So I mean, I might be a coincidence, but you know, let's see. Evening Afwax, says Amy. I am new to this Legoing business, but I have been thoroughly enjoying the typewriter build. I am very covetous of it, but it is so expensive. Oh, yes. Well, number one, we couldn't welcome you in. More applause. We honestly couldn't be happier to have you with us. Couldn't be happier. And oh Lord. Oh, okay. All right, we're on. Yeah. Mike, formerly known as Toad Morrigan, you got the wrong email. Says, welcome to the gang, Amy. It's a tad pricey, but if you goose up, you could be in with a chance of winning it during July's Life and Bricking. And then he gives goosing up info. You're a good lad. You're a good lad, encouraging the goosing. Alan, Twitwoo, Alan Harwood says, everything Mike said. Or you can look at it this way. RWB does the build, so you don't have to. You can spend all the time you would have spent building at no cost and having a bit of fun too. Then get the sets you really, really want to build. This is not all of them. Welcome. Bevis Musson says, I have to say, there have been a couple of builds I was thinking about getting and then changed my mind after watching the RWB build. Unfortunately, there have also been many I didn't plan on buying that I really covet now. Oh, do tell. Which ones, Bevis? Alan, Twitwoo, Owl and Harwood says, exactly, snakes and ladders, swings and roundabouts. Although, is it the swing or the roundabout that's supposed to be the good thing? I've never understood that. Ruth Hayes, oh Lord, now I'm wondering if anyone has MOC'd an old school wreck, swings roundabout. We called it the birthday cake, witch's hat, slide, paddling pool, kids, teenagers, up to no good. Oh, I mean, that would be fun, wouldn't it? Calling John Parry. Trevor Poulter says, oh, hang on. That's that way. Yes. He just says, prepare to be amazed. Prepare to be amazed. Ooh. On that rather spooky bombshell, that concludes Business of Club. Right then, here we go. Shall we finish this magnificent build? Let's get it done, gang. And that bit. That. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Let's give it a drum roll. Here it comes. Look. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Isn't that lovely? Right. That's going in here. Wrong way up. Oh, good God. Right. That's there. Gosh. We're suddenly at the very serious end of the build, aren't we? You can feel it, can't you? And that's like that. Then yep. Oh wait. Oh no, it's like that. Double making sure I've got this right. Yes, I have. Okay. Goes there. Gosh, this is clever. It's so clever. Yep. Then making 6 of these. Oops. That's lovely. Isn't that lovely? Ready? Oh. Oh my word. Oh my word. That's just something else. That is something else. Right, last little bit now. goes. There. So hang on. Hang on. Mackie, Mackie, Mackie. Oh, well, you get the drift. So that, yeah, that's a little. That's the first thing that hasn't worked absolutely beautifully, but isn't that phenomenal? Oh, hang on. There is an instruction here. Oh, so you don't do that. Oh, you press it here, not at the end. You press it there rather than at the end. Well, I think the only thing left for us to is put the paper in. I think. Yep, here we go. Right then, so do you remember right back at the beginning? We had this. Here's the English one. Ooh, 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 be careful, Kennedy. Oh no. Hang on, I know what I'm going to do. Fold it. Make it a bit easier too. There we go. That's a little bit annoying there. There we are. Voila. And that goes in. Does it actually? Hang on, wait a minute. Do that. Just see if it does it. Oh my, does it? Oh my God, it does. Oh my God, it actually does. Well, did you actually see that happen? Let me do it again. It actually does it. Good grief. Well, I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away by this set. And as we always do, we're going to give our scores on the doors for this. And I do believe, I think it's the first time in RWB history, I'm giving it a 10. I'm giving it a 10. I just think this is an exceptional piece of work. Absolutely exceptional. It's just been a joy from start to finish. And it's not just what it looks like, and it's not just the incredible design and how clever the whole thing is. It has genuinely been an absolute joy to build. I can't recommend it enough. Anyway, I'm delighted one of you will win it at the next live and bricking. Not this one, because I shall keep this one forever. But absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All this silver detailing here. And then at the back. I wonder why they didn't put a... That's the only thing, is I wonder why they decided not to put a back on there. But it doesn't really matter, does it? This was amazing, wasn't it? The guts were just incredible. Oh, I can't say enough good things about it. Anyway, thank you, Typewriter. Thank you, Lego. Thank you. You have been an absolutely stellar build for us here at Relax with Bricks. Thank you. So who knows what will be the next build? What will it be? If I'm building tomorrow, it will be a very quick fun thing, because I don't think the voting will be concluded in time, but we'll see. So I will see you either tomorrow or on Monday. Afterwax forever. See you tomorrow, or maybe not.